हेलो सुपर अचीवर्स, स्टूडेंट्स, पेरेंट्स एंड इंडिविजुअल्स। चलो आज बात करते हैं कि आप क्यों कोशिश करते हैं, हार्ड वर्क करते हैं टू मेक ए कैरियर, लाइक यू वांट टू बिकम ए डॉक्टर और ए बायोटेक्नोलॉजिस्ट और ए लॉयर और ए डिफेंस पर्सनल। क्यों? फर्स्ट अल्टीमेट चीज क्या है? अर्न मनी फॉर योर लाइवलीहुड। फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट, नो, हैव यू एवर वंडर व्हाई 2% of people in the world, they are very rich. They have abundant of money. They have abundance mindset also. Why? आज उसका बारे में बात करेंगे कि how the money flows and what are the sources of earning money. In 21st century, if you are earning money from one source, it is very difficult to become financially free. Always you will be in the just balancing your life. So today we will know about 7 sources from where you can earn money. Suppose you are working, you have a job, but at the same time you must have another 1 or 2 sources of earning money, so that when there is a challenge means what? Negative challenge. You are thrown out of the job. You have to not worried about those things. You will be happily go out, isn't it? Now, once somebody is losing job nowadays, what happens, you know. So let's know what are the 7 sources of money and how to create wealth in this 21st century. If you are really interested, stay with me 8 to 10 minutes and you will see 7 sources. At least one you can pick up. One. So don't forget to share my video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that I can build a community, a big community of super achievers through you only. The more and more you share, more and more people will become super achievers. पहले तो अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं what is the old world method earning money. क्या मेथड? सोसाइटी रूल बना के रखा है कि स्टडी वेल, वर्क हार्ड, स्टडी वेल और वर्क हार्ड। कुछ भी स्किल ले लीजिए, वर्क हार्ड। स्टडी कर लेते हैं, स्टडी वेल, गेट इनटू नीट, क्रैक नीट और जी, यूपीएससी, लॉयर, डिफेंस, लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर देयर. These are talking about top level. In middle level, you can crack any bank exam or any SSC exam, staff selection commission exams. This is the old method, but nowadays it has changed. People are earning money from different sources. Just you imagine a YouTuber is earning, I'm taking the minimum, 30 to 40,000 per month. Someone is earning 1 lakh per month. Someone is earning 2 lakhs per month. Someone is earning crores per month. What is the highest YouTuber in our India? Tanmay Bhatt. How much? I think more than 400 crores, like that. Just imagine. So in 21st century, it is what you create, what you connect, and how you contribute in the world and to the world. Create, connect, and contribute. This is actually called abundance mindset. You must have a abundance mindset, not scarcity mindset. Scarcity mindset means what? You know that money is fixed, so you start hoarding money, keep in your bank or somewhere else, or invest somewhere else. When generally hoard mentality means what? Just collect money, save in the bank, isn't it? So now let's go. What is the first source? First source is knowledge capital. That is called knowledge capital. That means if you have deep knowledge, I am giving you an example. If you know any subject, I am talking about any subject like mathematics, science, which are top subjects generally, it is being told, or accountancy, in commerce, arts, in economics. Suppose you know math very finely, you know, fantastic. I am giving one example. One of my friends from Mumbai, he is charging 1 lakh per candidate per month for math tuition online. 1 lakh per candidate. So he is having 10 students. So 10 lakhs per month. So this is called knowledge capital. If you have knowledge, you can teach, isn't it? And you can also coach, or you can have programs, make online programs, sell it. So knowledge capital. If you have knowledge, you can earn money. Through what? By coaching or teaching. Second है intellectual capital. If you are a little bit more intelligent, you are a little bit more creative or innovative, then innovate once and earn forever. Example, I am giving you another example, giving you a girl, 13 years old, she has left studying. Now she is earning 2 lakhs per month by creating AI agent, AI automation for small clients. She has to innovate once only and earn money. Go on earning money. Similarly, another example like this software, Windows software, Microsoft softwares, any software, they only innovate once, like any app. They only innovate once and they earn money forever. So this is your intellectual capital. And future belongs to innovators. Keep it in mind. If you are an innovator, future belongs to you. Okay. Third is digital capital. Digital capital means build systems, not jobs. Any system that you build which works automatically, not jobs. Once you create systems, definitely, whether it is going to earn money or not, yes, definitely you can earn money. That is a website, you build a website for a client. You will only build through your digital capability. You can earn money. Just I was giving the previous one. Learn AI tools and others, do something for others through AI tools. You will earn money. And next generation, digital tools also you start learning. ये हो गया आपका third. Let's go to the fourth one, which is I think one of the best earning source. Earlier nobody was thinking about, but nowadays it is one of the best earning source as per me. This financial capital. Start investing in stock market, ETFs, mutual fund, then startup investings. I am also learning how to invest. Presently my portfolio is around 11 lakhs. You can start small, no? Invest around 500 rupees per month in a mutual fund and learn these things. A lot of online programs are available, but you have to spend money for those. You have to spend money, time and implement. That is the main thing. Not only just take the course and forget it. Once you see the course and forget, you have to implement. Sometimes you will failure. From failure, you learn. And you become more stronger and stronger in the stock market. See, don't save money. Actually, grow your money. Don't save your money in bank. Grow your money by investing. And you know how much money you can make 1 crore. Suppose you are starting early. Suppose you are at now age is around 20-21 years. And you start investing in mutual fund. I think within 15 years you can make 1 crore. That means to become financial free, you have to start early. Next आता है the fifth one, human capital. Human capital means what? Yourself and others. Always upgrade yourself, whatever you know, because you have to upgrade your skill, no? Otherwise you will be beaten by others. 100% sure. If you think that I am the only person who knows these things, after some years you will see somebody is beating you. You have to also upgrade. You see the phones, every year some upgrading is happening in each phone. Software also, why they are upgrading? To stay in the race. You have to stay in the race. Race, you have to upgrade yourself. Earn new skills. Then sixth one, network capital. Nowadays it is told that your net worth is your network. Network is your network. The more and more people you network. Network means it is not that just to send a friend request and somebody accepted. That is not network. You have to leverage that network with time. Have patience. It is not that once you network and start talking to how I can contact you to help me and earning money. No, you have to strategically go so that you can take the leverage and earn money. And last one is natural and spiritual. Just example, suppose you know how to farm. That means nowadays many people are coming into farming for organic farming. And you can have the green energy techniques. You can open a green energy source. From there also you can earn money. So these are the 7 money earning sources. It is your turn which one you should pick up. What is your passion about and what you can learn fast. Fast learning is one of the best skills nowadays. I think you should start with financial capital or your knowledge capital. These are the 2 easy things. If you have deep knowledge, you can start teaching or coaching. And financial capital, start learning about stock. If not stock, start with mutual funds and ETF. You can start with small. Start it. If you like this video, please share it, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. All the love, all the power. Anything you want more, please message me.